Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesday. I save you time, I save you money, I feature some pretty cool car tech, and every once in a while I share my driving tips I learned on my family's go-kart track. But today, this How To Tuesday is going to change your life because I'm going to teach you exactly how to never get bird or bird poop or feces or droppings ever again on your vehicle. Keep watching. This right here, a fake snake, is going to change your life because all you have to do is place it on your car or truck or SUV, whatever you own, and you'll never have bird or poop or feces or droppings ever again on your vehicle because birds are petrified of snakes. Now, of course, if you don't want to leave fake snakes or real snakes, whatever you're into, on your vehicle because somebody might take it, well then you could also purchase a snake cover for your windshield, and that should do the trick too. But guys, this is gonna change your life, man. Fake snakes right here. You'll never have bird poop ever again on your vehicle. That's it. I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesday or Feature Car Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.